Let's go and take a look at Wiston Castle near Haverfordwest, West Wales. Nestled in the picturesque landscape of Wales stands a silent sentinel of history, Wiston Castle. Join us on a journey through time as we uncover the secrets of this ancient fortress. Welcome to our exploration of Wiston Castle, where each stone tells a story of conquest and resilience. Wiston Castle is a motte-and-bailey castle in the Pembrokeshire village of Wiston in south-west Wales, and is one of the best examples of its type in Wales. The castle and village were founded by Wizo, a Flemish settler who was granted the land by Henry I of England. After he had wrestled control from the previous owner, Arnulf de Montgomery, who was in revolt against Henry. The castle was captured by the Welsh on several occasions, but on each occasion it was retaken. It was abandoned during the 13th century, when the then owner moved to nearby Picton Castle. It witnessed countless battles and sieges, with each conflict shaping its destiny and leaving its mark on the landscape. Wiston Castle symbolises the struggle for power and independence in medieval Wales. Its strategic location made it a prized possession for various rulers throughout the centuries. Despite its formidable defences, Wiston Castle eventually fell into disrepair, its once mighty walls succumbing to the ravages of time. In recent years, efforts have been made to preserve and restore Wiston Castle, ensuring the future generations can marvel at its historic significance. As the sun sets on Wiston Castle, we are reminded of the enduring legacy of this ancient fortress and the stories it holds within its walls. And there you go, Wiston Castle, near Haverfordwest, West Wales. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you all in the next one.